Now our topic is beyond price, why a reputable web host is crucial for website security. A hosting provider is responsible for storing the files of our website. When we are deciding that we should avail the services of a particular web host, then we must keep in mind certain points. First is strong security track record. We can search online about the views of its customers. If the track record is good, it shows that the firm is fully committed about the security of the data of the company, that is clients. Then we must also find out whether the company also provides, or the web hosting provider also provides, the facility of SSL certificates, that is the secured security layer. In simple words, I can tell you that suppose this is the website and these are the users. Suppose it is Amazon. I am not promoting the name of any company, it is just for the purpose of clarification. Suppose this is the website of Amazon and the user is interacting with it. And at one stage, when the person has decided what products it wants to use, and after that it has to make payment by way of credit card or net banking. So at that stage, it will have to enter credit card or other details, and it may be just like that. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5, then password. In the ordinary form, if there is a communication, the hackers may intercept in the communication, and all this data which is being entered, such as the passwords, the username, credit card details, expiry date, CVV, etc., will go to the hacker, because they are very technologically advanced and they can intercept in the communication, and all these details of username, passwords, and other details will go to the hacker and they will misuse it. So to avoid that, SL certificates put a sort of tunnel or a sort of coverage about around all these details which are being entered by you. They provide a coverage or a sort of tunnel around the communication which is taking place between the website and the users, and this is not visible to the hacker. What communication is taking place? The communication takes place between the user and the website in an encrypted form. That is, the communication is not readable. If even if it assesses, the hacker assesses the information which is being communicated, he will not be able to decode it. So this is, we must find out whether our hosting provider this facility of security layer. Then we must also see that whether the hosting provides us the facility of DDoS protection. What is it means? In simple words, we can say that suppose this is the website, and suppose your website has the ability to handle 2000. I am talking only in general terms and not in technical terms. Suppose your website is in a position to handle 2000 users at a time, and if say 2 lakh users start use approaching your site, what will happen? The your website server will crash, and even the your genuine customers will not be able to access your site. So this is the DDoS attacks. So In case of DDoS attacks, the hacker will use many compromised computers, a large number of compromised computers, and from all that compromised systems, the user will start traffic which goes to your website, and ultimately your website will not be accessible. So we should see that whether the hosting provider provides us the protection from DDoS attacks, that is denial of service attacks. Next, we have to also see that whether the hosting provides us the facility of malware detection and removal. If the hosting provider provides the tool for malware detection and its removal, then your website can be secured from many types of cyber attacks. Then you have also to see whether the hosting provider provides the facility of regular backups automatically. That is, you have not to take backup. The hosting provider will automatically backup your files, so that in case of any accidental deletion or cybersecurity attack, you can make use of the backup which is being maintained by the hosting provider. Then when you are finalizing the hosting provider, you must also, all the hosting providers may be having many plans. They may be having separate price for the same. You have to find out which plan suits your current needs as well as future needs. If you think that today only your website is expected to reach only to get only 2000 users per day, but you must also keep in mind what will happen after 1 month, what after 6 months, or because you cannot change your hosting provider every month or every 6 months. So you will have to keep in mind what is your expectation about the traffic load in future. What are the facilities which are being provided by the hosting provider, and what is the storage space which is being provided, what is your need, and what storage space is being provided and at what price. You have to make comparison of the uh, benefits or the qualities or the features of various plans being provided by the different hosting providers, and after comparing all the features of different plans and also your current needs and future needs, you have to decide about the hosting provider and the particular plan which is being offered by the hosting provider. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.